Alright y'all, welcome back. I am Albert LaBelle and you're not. You're probably lucky though. Any hoodles, recently I went on another one of my online shopping sprees for locks, padlocks. I love locks. I'm a lock junkie. But any hoodles, this is one of them. I picked up, I want to say, 5 different ones that we'll get to in future videos. But yeah, this one here, it's just a Huski lock. Not one of the biggest, strongest locks by any means, but you know, I figured why not. But it's got a CCL on there, CCL on the key bow here. And then it's got a CAT60 on the other side of the key, but it is a wafer lock. Not much of a lock, but again, it was just one of those. I had already picked out 4 or 5 nice locks, and I figured just throw this in with it, right? Why not? So yeah, another thing is I thought it was going to be a plastic body just because of the way it looks, right? Kind of looks plasticky. At least it did online. Of course, I could have read the description a little better, but I believe it's just some kind of cast zinc or something because it's got some hefty weight to it, but the body is not steel. I mean, the magnet's just trying to pull through right there because of the shackle, but it's definitely not a steel body itself. And actually, that's probably zinc too right there. But yeah, had to have it. Had to throw it in the basket. You know how I am. So any hoodles, let's see what it takes to pick into it. And I noticed something. I was playing with it a minute ago. It only locks on one side, and it's spring loaded. I don't know if you can see that locking pawl right there in that hole. You see that? So it's spring loaded. So what I'm guessing is we can probably, since it'll spring back, I'm pretty sure it'll spring back. Let's see. Yeah, it springs back. So we can probably get a shim in there because there's a decent amount of room around that shackle right there, if you can see that. A little bit of room, probably just enough. So let's see what it takes to pick into it, and then we'll see if we can't shim that puppy. I'm just going to grab one of these Sparrows picks because, as you can see, it's pretty wide open. I'm not too concerned with what pick is going to fit in there. Let me see. Grab a tension tool, probably something like this. Let me see. That ought to work right there. Boom. What I do on some of these tension tools, because you start getting a lot when you buy a lot of pick sets, I just shortened one of these L wrenches. You can see right there I shortened it, and then I just shaved a little bit of it right there. That little shaved spot, believe it or not, it helps it when you put it in and rotate. Also, being shorter, it keeps it from wanting to flip out on you, because when they're long they want to tilt out, but as you can see, that locks in there just fine and dandy. So good little trick there. Alright, so let's see if we can pop it, and then we'll see if we can shim it. Oh, this is a Huski, by the way. It's a Huski lock, it says, and I think it was like 10 bucks. Alright, that felt good. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Maybe missed one. Right there. Just like that. Very straightforward. So yeah, all I had to do was literally push them into place, as you've seen right there. Alright, so let's lock it back up and grab some shims here. These Sparrows shims, by the way, my favorites. They're very, very good. And since it's a teeny lock with a teeny shackle, we'll look for a teeny shim. One of the little fellas. There we go. Nice little fella right there. Should fit that shackle beautifully. Alright, let's bring it around. Since we know it's spring loaded like that, so I'm just going to put the shim over here and actually bring it around just like the locking pawl works. Get it in there, bring it around, and pop it up just like that. Because like I said, that little locking pawl, since it rotates that same direction, just like that. That's exactly what we had to do with the shim. Let's do it again just for fun. So put the shim over here on this side, seat it all the way in there, and just rotate it right into that spring-loaded locking pawl. Boom. Bada boom, bada bang, the magic words. So yeah, a cool little lock. Like I said, I kind of thought it was more like a lotto lock, but I don't think it is. Plus, lotto locks usually come with one key. But yeah, neat little lock. Had to have it. Alright, that's it. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate it. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it. Welcome to 2023 once again, folks. I need your support. So subscribe, like, share. Be cool. Thank you.